all is the restriction. So there are multiple number of ways in which I can select an initial state, and any state could be initial state. So local beam search में भी मैं ऐसे ही randomly initial state choose करता हूँ, लेकिन instead of choosing one single initial state, now I will be choosing k initial states. That is, I will be solving k times the same problem simultaneously. The only thing is I am allowing or I am solving it simultaneously. ऐसा एक alternative hill climbing का होता है जिसको बोलते हैं random restart. That is, we allow hill climbing to progress from one initial state up to it reaches the local minima maxima, and as it reaches local minima maxima, we just randomly select a new initial state and allow it to do another pass on the problem, and we get to see that if we allow such thing, which is referred to as random restart, we will be getting solution more number of times than otherwise we would get by doing hill climbing once. ओके तो हिल क्लाइंबिंग ये प्रोबेबिलिस्टिक नेचर का है. हिल क्लाइंबिंग कंप्लीट एल्गोरिथम कभी भी नहीं रहेगा. इवन विथ simulated annealing, we are just increasing possibility of getting to the global maximum. We are not assuring that we are going to get the global maximum, and that's another thing that you need to keep in mind. That is, even with simulated annealing, you are not guaranteeing that for every problem that has a goal node you will reach a goal node, but you are increasing probability of reaching to the goal node to a higher extent than this normal hill climbing algorithm. Local beam search does similar to what random restart does, but the only change it does it, random restart sequentially allows you to randomly restart the hill climbing algorithm. Here we do k restarts at a time parallelly. That is, all the restarts are going ahead parallelly. There will be k initial states. All k initial states will be expanded to generate all the nodes that you can generate. Amongst all the nodes, we will select one randomly. So we will be selecting k randomly next generation nodes, and from those k randomly selected next generation nodes, we might expect that one of the node is the goal node. And since we are trying to select k different random states, those will be k different areas in the state space. So if we think the state space is something like a big cloud of states like this, okay, and my k value is 3, one of the state that k gives me is this, another state that k gives me is this, another state that k gives me is this. So I may start exploring for the goal node in 3 distinct regions. If k is 3, if k is 5, k is 7, it will be more distinctive regions in the state space cloud that I will be exploring. And I'll be hoping that since I'm exploring at multiple localities in the state space, I will be getting better opportunity of reaching the node early in the process. Okay, that is, early in the process means ज़्यादा नोड एक्सपांड करने से पहले मुझे मिल जाएगा सॉल्यूशन. तो ये एल्गोरिथम कैसे होता है? ये नोड खुद को एक्सपांड करता है. शायद ये नोड कुछ नेबरहुड नोड्स को देखेगा, शायद इनका 1 है, इसके 2 है और इसके 2 है. Okay, we are considering this particular example. Give me a moment to draw some arbitrary diagram on the board. So this was my initial state. These are my child nodes. So I can show that. So amongst these two nodes, this is the better option. Say this is the better option, and maybe this is the better option. So one thing for sure, that this particular region now is not a region where I should look for the solution, because all the nodes in this area, they have been selected. So maybe since these nodes are better, my solution is now going to be in this particular area. So I will be going ahead, and after going ahead, I may soon be closing down to an area where my goal node lies. Okay, so all k searches that are parallelly occurring, they are communicating with each other their progress. उनका delta e's जो है, delta e for this node, delta e for this node, delta e for this node, they all are communicated with each other. So the node which is getting better delta e, while randomly selecting the child node or next generation, I may jump to that particular part, and then local beam search can actually, from a remote perspective or the global perspective, get into a local perspective. So these are kind of drawbacks of local search. but these are also kind of good signs that we are going to simultaneously search, so we are going to get the solution early. We are expecting that we are going to get the solution early. Again, nature of the algorithm is stochastic है, इसीलिए इसका assurance नहीं है कि algorithm complete होगा, but this is going to be much more better than the simple hill climbing algorithm. Is going to be better than simulated annealing as well, because this is going to be simultaneously doing parallel searches. Simulated annealing जो था वो सिर्फ आपको locally navigate करने दे रहा था एरिया को, circumvent करने दे रहा था minimal crevices और maximal peaks, local maximal peaks और local minimal crevices को navigate करने का opportunity दे रहा था. लेकिन ये जो सर्च है, बीम सर्च है, ये आपको एक बड़ा एरिया को सर्च करने का अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहा है. Whenever the state space is too large, okay, to select randomly a particular node, single node, selecting a single node through a large number is very difficult than selecting k nodes out of a large number. Okay, so you are increasing your chances of getting to the node. So in local beam search, useful information is passed among the parallel search threads. The parallel search threads में information is shared, and that gives it a better opportunity. But since we are sharing the information, a negative or flip side of that sharing is that the algorithm quickly abandons unfruitful searches and moves its resources to where the most progress is being made. तो ये जो है ये एक बहुत थिन लाइन है being greedy और being non greedy में, क्योंकि as I close down in a particular area, I can also be start to become greedy over a particular region, whereas my solution could be lying at different region altogether. It may happen in a state space which is a very complex state space. Simple state space में problem नहीं आएगा. State space जैसा आपको दिखता है ना, in general for the problems that you solve using AI, it's not like that. A single dimension ऐसा जो दिखाई दिया था आपको वैसा नहीं होता. It's a hyperplane of n dimension, and if it is in hyperplane of n dimension, you can quickly get saturated in few of the dimensions, but few of the dimensions still the problem is not unsolved, not solved properly. So it may be difficult to navigate such a landscape. Okay, so there are drawbacks of beam search as well, and that you can read in the further part of this particular book. Now there is an algorithm called a genetic search algorithm, and I don't think we should talk about this algorithm because they never ask you question on this, but it's an interesting algorithm. It is based on similar philosophy that the beam search has, but it actually is more closer to the process of natural selection in the reproductive system of the animals, and hence the algorithm is referred to as genetic algorithm. ये natural selection का जो fundamental principle है उस principle की तरह काम करता है. तो ये क्या करता है, randomly next state को select करने ना करते हुए, what it does is, if I have say 2 states in the current k number of states, I will just merge those 2 states. Means what? Some of the properties of state 1 and some of the properties of state 2 I will take, those I feel which are going to be useful for getting to the solution. Those properties will be used to create or represent another state, and once I get this new state, I will create, so this particular thing will be repeated for all the k nodes. So I have k nodes, each of the k node, some property I will select, and then I'll merge and I'll produce again the k number of nodes. ये एक very brief diagram में यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है, वो मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, and I'm not going to explain this in detail because it's not necessary, I believe, but it's a very interesting algorithm, and it is a very good algorithm and largely used algorithm, was a largely used algorithm in AI for long. So you could for understanding purpose read it. So this is the initial population. You can assume that this one rectangle here represent one state, second rectangle second state, third rectangle third state, fourth rectangle fourth state. Now what we are writing over here is this 24, 23, 2011 is how good these states are. They represent this number, how good these states are, or how much closer to the goal node I am. So some heuristic value they have over there. So this is most bad with respect to this value, and this is best with respect to value. So we'll be selecting say 29% of this node, 31% of this state, 23% of this state, and 20% of this state, and we are going to neglect this state. Why we are going to neglect this state? Because this state was not having good evaluation value, hence it did not pass the fitness test. नेचुरल सिलेक्शन में आपने सीखा होगा, जब आप बायोलॉजी कभी कभार सीखे होंगे स्कूल लेवल में, तो नेचुरल सिलेक्शन में क्या होता है, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. तो जो भी फिट है वो आगे जाएगा, आगे जनरेशन प्रोड्यूस करेगा. जो भी फिट नहीं है वो इसी जनरेशन में ऑब्सोलीट हो जाएगा. सो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेट गेट्स ऑब्सोलीट इन दिस जनरेशन. नाउ दिस स्टेट इट हैज अ स्कोर ऑफ 20, सो उसका 26% मैंने यूज किया है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स यूज किया है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को रेडी करने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे देखो 2441, 2441, 5, ये जो नंबर्स है, ये शायद आप कह सकते हो ये सम ये नंबर सजेस्ट करते हैं वेरिएबल्स का वैल्यू. से सपोज देयर आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 different variables are there to represent the state. Then out of those 8 different variables, I'm selecting 1 2 3 4 5 variables same value, and rest of the 3 variables I'm selecting new values for them. Similarly over here I'm doing a similar thing. I'm selecting 3 2 7 5 2, that is I'm keeping the value of these variables fixed, and these 3 variables which were 411, they will be changed. Something of this sort will happen. So 411 is fixed actually, and this 32752 now changes to 32752. I don't know what they have done. So I've actually okay यहाँ पे सिर्फ सिलेक्शन यानी मैं उसको कट कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. So this 31%, 29% में कट किया है, और यहाँ पे एक्चुअली आप दोनों का मर्जिंग ले रहे हो, यानी जीन्स फ्रॉम वन नोड इज कॉपीड डाउन टू जीन्स ऑफ सेकेंड नोड. सो 327 ये पेरेंट की तरफ से आ रहा है, और ये 48 वाला चीज ये पेरेंट की तरफ से आ रहा है, एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग हियर, so you can consider them as chromosome, and we are creating a reproduction over here and creating new generation. So ये crossover होने के बाद, so this is called as crossover. Some variables I'm selecting these properties, and some variable I'm selecting properties of the other parent, and this will yield me this. Now for this second child, I'm selecting 247 from this and 52411 from this. So what exactly we are doing? We are randomly cutting the state. यानी कुछ variables मैं use करता हूँ to produce one offspring, other variables I use to produce another offspring, and now we are getting these 2 offsprings. ये 4 offsprings मुझे मिले हैं. Again I will apply after crossover. Again next thing is this mutation. So this mutation adds up randomness. जो randomness हमारे algorithm में है वो mutation allow करेगा randomness को. So some of the genes, I mean some of the variables, the values will alter. So 552 था 152 हो गया. इसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं आया क्योंकि उसमें म्यूटेशन नहीं हुआ. इसमें म्यूटेट हो गया. कौन सा जीन म्यूटेट हो गया या कौन सा वेरिएबल म्यूटेट हो गया? This 7 variable got mutated and it got value 2. Okay, so this is randomly done. There is a procedure. That procedure gives you a mutation. So when you supply the state to it, it will mutate certain variables and give you back the new state representation. So what we have initial state representation. We'll apply the fitness function. Those states which are fit, we will use them as the initial population, and to have that initial population, what we will do. So please remember that initially there were 4 states. Initially if you see there were 4 states in the initial population. Next selected number of states are also 4. ये 4 कैसे हो गए? कुछ state को मैंने repeat किया. Okay, that also I need to decide which states to repeat. Then I decided based on the fitness value. So fitness value 24, 31% retain मुझे कट करने हैं, 23, 29% कट करने हैं, 20, 26% कट करने हैं. मतलब क्या हो गया? यानी जितना ज्यादा फिट है उतना कम उसको कट करेंगे, उससे ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टीज आप आगे लेके जाओगे. Okay, so that way now we will be doing. Okay, I don't know what happened. Yeah. So this is the state that we are reaching to. I hit accidentally on some place. So ये प्रॉब्लम कौन सा, ये प्रॉब्लम अगर आप ठीक से देखोगे तो ये 8 जो नंबर है ये मेरा 8 क्वीन का प्रॉब्लम है.